welcome back to our channel. Again, I have the privilege to do Judy's hair.
Yes.
So we're just gonna do quick hairdo for when you just get up and you don't want to do a lot to your hair and you just want to get to wherever you're going. So we're just gonna take about, I think it takes about 10 minutes to do this style. So her hair is already washed. We're just gonna moisturize it and then keep going from there. So what I'm going to be using this Cantu shea butter to moisturize it, and then we're going to use this coconut oil too.
So I'm just applying oil to the hair and the scalp. Judy likes her hair nice and moisturized, hence the amount of oil I'm putting on it.
For God so loved the world that He gave His only begotten Son. I got this.
And our choice of oil today is Cantu shea butter and coconut shine. Both of these products you can get at a beauty supply store for about $4 and $7 respectively.
And by the way, you guys, she's really gentle.
After applying oil, I comb through her hair, making sure that I comb out the knots that are on her hair, and then I work my way down to the roots. For this part, you want to use a bristle hairbrush, which you can purchase from a beauty supply store too, which is about $3. This brush really comes in handy when you are going for a slick look. Hold up the hair in a ponytail, depending on how low or how high you want the ponytail to be. I like to use Got2b glue spray, a bristle brush, and a hair dryer to make sure her hair does not have any flyaways and that her hair is fully laid down.
So we're gonna be using this as her extension. We already slayed her hair back. It's all nice and slick. So we're just gonna add this extension to her hair, and then she's gonna be ready for church. Right, Judy?
Amen.
Praise Jesus!
So for this part, you're going to need hair ties and bobby pins to make sure that the ponytail is secured. Make sure to trim any tangled up hair once you're done securing the ponytail.